I'm creating an augmented reality app that allows the patrons of the library to experience the music library in a completely new way.
So Jacob is working on an app for the Lewis Music Library, and it involves these 19 glass panels in the library that contain a canon written by music professor John Harbison.
What you'll be able to do is point your phone at the balcony, the mezzanine, and all the notes, the dynamics, the lyrics will light up as it plays in the song, and the point is to follow the music.
Donations to the MIT library impact everyone at MIT because the libraries are more than just a space where people can come and consume information. We're providing the resources and the expertise to help students really get their hands dirty with information and combine that mind and hand that is critical to an MIT education.
It's important for the libraries to support student projects like mine because without the library support, these types of initiatives just couldn't happen. MIT is supposed to be a place of innovation, of hands-on active learning, and as a result of this project, I've never felt more embedded in a community.
An unrestricted gift to the MIT libraries allows us to provide an unrestricted amount of support across disciplines, across departments, and across kinds of research, kinds of learning, kinds of teaching. Because we serve everyone, a gift to the MIT libraries is a gift to MIT.